How you doing?
Morning.
Good, how are y'all?
Pretty good. How you doing?
Good, man. Brad Walker.
Nice to meet you. How did all this get started? How did we end up like getting a trailer for Matt?
I was watching one of Matt's new videos. He was talking about this trailer that he had, and he was jumping on the side of it, and it was all flexing, and then come to find out the frame was cracked. And so like a day or two later, I was sitting in my office and I was looking at another tilt deck, and I was like, we could build him another trailer. We could handle this problem. And
Yeah,
so
we actually build trailers, so
yeah,
I'm surprised it didn't come to you sooner.
And so I was like, why did I not think of this?
You're a big fan of Demolition Ranch and everything that Matt does, right?
Yeah, I actually am subscribed to all of his channel, the Off the Ranch, the Vet Ranch, Demolition Ranch. But I mean, part of it is just Matt. The guy's got a good personality. He has an entertaining personality. Good morning.
How you doing?
Morning.
Good, how are y'all?
Pretty good. How you doing?
Good, man. Brad Walker.
You just want to pull around there and find a nice flat spot.
I can handle that.
That works.
How was that, man? You just met Matt.
Yeah. It's strange, man, because like the camera and the phone and the screens, and then like it's a real dude. Just gotta be cool.
Be cool, man.
This here's Brad. He's our senior engineer.
Awesome.
He watches all your stuff, loves your stuff.
Awesome.
You dropped that one video breaking the trailer, and like not 30 minutes later, I got him texting me on a Sunday.
Matt has broken trailer.
He needs a trailer. He needs a trailer. You need to go on
You
contact.
gotta take care of this.
Yeah, that trailer's a beast. It's like when you drive down the street, it's like all rickety and.
Like I saw you stand on one corner and like the whole thing is.
Mm-hmm. When I was sitting there before I even knew it was broken, it still like was pulling fine, but I thought it felt a little bumpy, you know. And then I was like ratcheting it, like using a ratchet strap and ratcheting my Bobcat down, and the whole trailer was like, and I was like, something's wrong. this is not good. If I can bend a trailer by moving a ratchet strap like 3 inches, like that's not good.
So first impressions.
Man, it's beautiful, and it does look like it wouldn't bend easily, like mine. No, it's awesome. Yeah, I can't wait to look at it up close in person. I need that truck too. And get me a big old dually.
Who's asking for the keys?
They're here. This is Devin. What's up, man?
Hey, what's going on, guys?
And Brad. So Devin actually was here when we got delivery of the dump trailer.
Correct.
He brought it down. Brad is the lead engineer at Texas Pride. Oh my gosh, that's so easy. Holy cow. I guess, yeah, you have to be able to do it by yourself, right?
You can walk up on it,
Stand
Matt.
on it?
Yeah.
Will it go down? Fall off.
We'd like to see you test it out.
Let's do it.
Might have to get a running start.
Too easy. We didn't talk about the deck either. What can you tell me about that?
The deck is a heavier 3/16 steel.
So I probably won't dent this top.
No.
Probably not.
Let's put something real
Possible.
big on it. It's not impossible, but it's not probable. The work shows, you know, the proof's in the pudding. Like this trailer is so much different than my trailer that I have. And there's no doubt in my mind, this trailer is gonna last forever and not break in half. And you know, it's like, this is just such a nice piece of equipment here, and it's gonna make, like, good equipment like this makes my jobs easier when I can carry stuff and I don't have to like worry about how I load it, because I know like this thing, I can drive right up on it and it's not gonna break in half, and I can tie right down and wherever I want, it's gonna be secure, you know, like it's gonna make everything easier for the stuff that I do. Raptor, you ready for this? Oh my gosh, that's so easy.
And Jim, what should he do with that old trailer? Come on.
With that old trailer, blow it up, blow it up, blow it up.
Get the C4 out.